What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Scott's Honest Review. Today we are reviewing something that, unless you do a lot of electrical work or mess with vehicle wires or any type of wire, you guys probably won't have any interest in this. But since I do a lot of wiring with vehicle builds on my car YouTube channel, Revline89, I got this kit. So now we are unboxing. I've used similar kits before, so I'm curious to see if they come with the sizes that I actually wanted. A lot of times when I order the kits, they make the sizes look bigger than they actually are, and then I get disappointed, and then I gotta give a bad review. And oh yeah, these are what I'm looking for. Okay, so they're a little thinner on the inside, but good connectors. Yeah, these will definitely do a good job. Now they are a little flimsy, easily bendable. So maybe for really high current applications we might not want to use them. Let's see, 10 AWG, is that what they're rated? Let's see what this is. 12 to 10 AWG. Okay, let's see, this one is 22 to 18 AWG. Yeah, overall this kit's actually pretty nice. Looks like you got some thicker ones. Oh yeah, they're definitely much harder to bend. Okay, yeah, I'm happy with this kit. Good collection. It looks like they're kind of missing some though. Like if you look here, why it's like really low, and then these are packed. I guess it's just the size. Anyway, I definitely could give this set an 8 out of 10. Overall, very happy with it.